now on to video about a box that's gonna be unboxed. So it's more like an envelope. So let's unbox something I have unboxed previously. Let's get into the heart of the box. Here we go. These are snap swivels, you say. Beteslås in Swedish. Yeah, these are very small, but yeah, I ordered them during the ice season, so yeah, these are very good to have on the ice fishing reels. Or if you want to switch around the rod a lot, these are good because they go between most sizes of the ice. Yeah. So now I have more of these. And, yeah, more fishing videos will come up as soon as everything sort of stabilizes with the season. And yeah, it's been raining today, so I hope a lot of the ice melts, but it's still a little bit early for the type of fishing for me to do any outdoors videos. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.